Imagine a lion spotting an antelope standing alone. No herd, no cover, no heroic escape plan. From our point of view, this looks less like a hunt and more like food delivery. But the lion slows down, watches for a moment, and walks away. Why would a predator reject an easy meal? Because in nature, easy to catch does not always mean safe to eat. A predator is not just hungry, it is calculating. How much energy will this meal provide? How long will it take? Could it fight back? Is it poisonous? Is it sick? And will eating it make the next hunt harder? The first hidden cost is time. Some predators ignore prey that takes too long to handle. Oyster catchers, for example, search for shellfish buried in mud. A clam may contain plenty of energy, but if it is buried too deeply, digging it out can cost more time than the meal is worth. The bird is not confused. It has simply looked at the clam and, in bird language, said, "That is a lot of work for seafood." This is the logic of optimal foraging. Predators do not attack everything. They try to gain the most energy while spending the least time and taking the least risk. A tiny animal may be easy to kill, but barely worth eating. A larger one may offer more food, but require a dangerous struggle. The best meal is not always the easiest one, it is the most profitable one. But time is only the beginning. Some prey come with warning labels, bright colors, strong smells, bitter tastes, spines, venom. A young bird may attack a brightly colored insect once, taste it, and immediately reconsider every life decision that led to that moment. After one bad experience, it may avoid anything that looks similar. Some birds can even learn by watching another bird react badly. Nature has its own review system, and 1 star is enough. Experiments with starlings showed that they learned to connect stronger bitterness with higher toxin levels. They preferred prey carrying less toxin. But hunger changes the calculation. When temperatures dropped and the birds needed more energy, they became more willing to eat mildly toxic prey. The poison did not become safer. The birds simply became more desperate. Hunger does not erase risk. It changes how much risk an animal will accept. Disease creates another problem. A sick animal may move slowly, separate from its group, and look like the easiest target available. But easy prey can hide an expensive consequence. In one experimental predator-prey system, predators ate infected prey more often because they were easier to catch. But those predators developed more slowly and lived shorter lives. This does not mean predators always recognize disease and avoid it. Sometimes they make the wrong choice. Evolution does not produce perfect decision makers. It produces rules that work often enough. Sometimes, the easiest meal wins the argument, then sends the bill later. The final cost is injury. A prey animal does not need to kill a predator to defeat it. It only needs to damage a paw, eye, jaw, or wing. Horns can puncture. Hooves can break bone. Spines can lodge in flesh. Venom can turn a quick meal into a very long afternoon. For a wild predator, even a small injury can be catastrophic. A damaged leg may mean no successful hunt tomorrow. A broken tooth may mean no successful hunt at all. This is why predators often inspect prey before committing. They watch posture, movement, size, defenses, and escape routes. A successful predator is not the one that attacks most often. It is the one that survives enough bad opportunities to reach the good ones. So, when a predator walks away from an easy meal, it may be noticing something invisible to us. Too little energy, too much handling time, a warning color, a suspicious smell, a hidden toxin, or one sharp horn pointed in exactly the wrong direction. Predation looks like violence from the outside, but underneath, it is decision-making under uncertainty. And sometimes, the smartest move in nature is not attacking. It is knowing when dinner is trying to kill you back.